little stars, happy Earth Day! A few days ago we had a special day for our planet Earth. So today I'd like to talk to you about our planet Earth and how special our planet Earth is, and also how we can protect our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is unique compared to the other planets because on our planet we have land, we have water, and we have air. The air we cannot really see, it's everywhere. Even now I caught some of the air inside of the jar, but I can feel the air if I do like this. Okay, air we need for breathing. So we need air, we need water, water we need for drinking. Without water and air we wouldn't be alive. And the same land we need for plants to grow in, and also it's a home for loads and loads of animals. Therefore, it is important that we take care of our planet Earth and we make sure that we have clean land, clean water and clean air. Now at home we've got loads and loads of things that we use every day. And once we don't use them anymore or they're finished, we usually throw them away. So anything that is made out of paper, glass, metal, plastic or food becomes a trash. So those are the things that we don't use anymore and we throw it away. Rather than throw it everything all together, we separate it and we recycle it. So let's see which things we can recycle. We can recycle paper, we can recycle plastic, metal and glasses. Now at home we recycle anything that is made out of glass, plastic and paper. So I've got some trash here and I'm going to show you how I sort it out at home. Let's see. A cardboard for eggs. That goes into the paper. A glass jar goes to glass. Plastic bowl. Plastic. I have some paper here. I put it there. Kitchen roll goes there. And plastic cover I can put there. Not only that I can recycle, I can also reuse them. I can reuse them, let's say, the cardboard or the kitchen roll I can use in my art projects with the children. Okay, or the glass jar I can use for my flowers, for example, or I can store some pasta in it if I have any. So we can use, if we can reuse it at home, that's great. If we cannot, then we sort it out and then we will send it to be recycled. Also, any food that we eat and we finish and any peels or skins, we can also collect and we can mix it with the dirt and leave it in our garden. So if you have a garden, you can make your own compost because compost is very nutritious for the land and for the plants. So there we need lots of minerals and vitamins so the plants can get from. And you can use for compost eggshells, carrots, vegetables and fruits. Any food that you don't use anymore, you can use it for the compost. Also, there are items that instead of buying, we can reuse the ones that we have at home. For example, instead of plastic bottle, I can use my own water bottle. Or I can use my own cloth bag for shopping instead of using a plastic bag for shopping. So those things I can reuse again. So I don't need to get any more plastic bottles or plastic bags. I can use my own that I can use anytime I like. Any things like clothes, shoes or any toys I'm not using anymore, I can give it to somebody else. I can donate it to other families and children who would like to use them. Okay, so we can reuse those things instead of throwing them away. All the things that are not recycled or reused, they end up on the landfills. And it's a pile of piles of garbage. As you can see, it's a lot of garbage which pollutes our environment. And environment is all around us, the animals and plants, everything around us is the environment. As you can see on the picture, doesn't look very nice when the rubbish is on the ground, and also it's not safe for the animals in the forest or in the nature. Okay, so the rubbish needs to go into the bin. Any trash can pollute the air or the water or the land. So, for example, if I go to the beach and I have a plastic bottle or any rubbish, instead of throwing it in the sand or in the sea, I take it and I put it in a bin. And if I can't find a bin, then I have to take it with me and find a bin somewhere on the way, and then I throw it into the bin. But we never ever throw it on the ground or in the water, because it can be very dangerous for the animals and the plants, and it can make them sick. Okay? And that's how the water gets polluted. It gets dirty and it doesn't look very nice either. So, when we reduce, recycle and reuse items, we help keep our environment clean. So remember, we always reduce, reuse and recycle. I have a song that I'd like to sing for you, and it's about recycling. Ready? We recycle, yes we do, caring for the planet, you should too, Let's sing it one more time. We recycle, yes we do, caring for our planet, you should too, I hope you like the song. Before I finish, I'd like to do one more activity with you and see whether you remembered the items that we recycle. So I've got some areas. I've got anything that is made out of metal, I'm going to put here. Anything that is for the compost, I put there. Anything that is made out of plastic, electronics, glass, and paper. Okay. Here I have glass bottles. The glass bottles I'm going to put in a glass. Jars, they're made out of glass too. Eggshells I can use for the compost. Cardboard. Cardboard is made out of paper. Tubes. That's made out of paper too. Plastic cup goes into plastic. Apple core I put into compost. Computers belongs into electronics. Phone as well. Plastic bag goes into plastic. Aluminium foil goes to metal. And soda can goes to metal as well. So I sorted out my trash into paper, metal, compost, plastic, electronics and glass. And now I can send them to be recycled. Bye bye!